guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a truck for you today to lift. It's a very nice one out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. This looks like I think it's a 2024 GMC Sierra 1500. It might be a 2023, but it is the new face front end on it. This truck's already built once. It's already been lifted. We're about to lift it bigger. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you right now. Here's our truck. Right now it is on what appears to be maybe a 4-inch rough country lift, which is actually like a 6-inch with the struts right there. It's on some 35 1250/20 Nitto ridge grapplers with some 20x10 fuel Triton is what it's called. We're about to take all this stuff off. We're doing a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, 26x14. I think it's hardcore wheels and some 37-inch Fury. So stay tuned. I'm very excited about this one. I think it's going to look phenomenal once it's done. We might end up having to take off these fender flares. I'm pretty sure we will. And then I know for a fact that those rough country struts have got to go. We need GM struts to make that McGaughys strut work. We need the coils and the strut mount off the top of it. So it ought to be pretty interesting to see what we have to do to make this one go. right, guys, I'm super excited to bring this truck to you to see. Truck is ready. It's a 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck was a Sherrod edition, which is a factory lifted truck. It's not lifted from GM. It's lifted from like a third party, like upfitter that buys a bunch of trucks and does the same thing to every one of them and sells them to the dealership. This truck was lifted like 6 inches already with some 35s and I think 20x9 wheels. So we've done the Southern Tire makeover on it. We've done a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, 26x14 hardcore off-road wheels, and some 37-inch Fury tires. And we did some wheel lights too. They look really cool on the truck. So let me know what you guys think. Also, we took his fender flares off that were put on by that Sherrod company because they kind of get in the way of the 26x14s and stuff like that. So let me know how that's looking. Also, he is going to have to get a little bit of the paint buffed on the fenders where you saw the fender flares used to be. We know about that already. So other than that, let me know what you think of the truck. Did he do a good job? Is the truck better now than it was before? I think so. All right, so here's our truck. Like I said, it's the Sierra 1500. This is it's the new front end. They started this in 2022. I really love it. Has these really nice LED strips. You guys see them probably flickering in the video. Overall, the presentation of the truck now with the big 26x14 wheels and the fender flares taken off with the bigger lift kit, I think the presentation of the truck is amazing. Like I said, my customer drove all the way from Chattanooga. I don't think that he's going to pick the truck up today. I still have to call him and get him ready to come get it. I haven't even told him yet, but you guys see it first here. McGaughys 9-inch lift kit. We did the upgraded control arms on top with the stainless steel overlays and the billet aluminum cap for the ball joint there. Of course, it has the 9-inch McGaughys strut right here. The McGaughys cross member is amazing. Looks beautiful in every truck, I think. Very, very nice with the silver accents. We did the infinite off-road wheel lights right here, the Quadro. I got them set on white right now. Here's your axle angle after 9 inches of lift on one of these trucks to let you know kind of how it looks. Everything's perfect with the angles. The McGaughys kit comes with the stainless steel strut tensioner bars right there in the kit. Obviously, this truck does not have the rear traction bars. It's not a mandatory item you have to buy. It's definitely an add-on. It's mainly for looks. Customer already had the Amp Research Power Step XLs on there. I think I said earlier in the video that I kind of like not the XL, the standard one better because it kind of tucks up under the truck a little bit better to me. The tires we did are the 37, 14, 50, 26 Fury MTs. This is a optional width tire. So some of the guys that do this 26x14 wheel do a 37, 13, 50. Some do a 14, 50. The 14, 50 sits more square on the tire like this. The 13, 50 has more of a stretch to the sidewall. I kind of like that. But both tires look good to me. All right, this is the hardcore. I believe it's the HC 104. I think I messed this up last week in a video. I said HC 103 when it was actually the 104. 26x14 chrome. The price point of these wheels is amazing, comparatively speaking to like a forged KG1 or something like that. Forged wheels are better to me at the end of the day, but if you want the bright look of the chrome, this is the way to do it. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm going to attach a price at the end of this video breakdown so you can see what this job would cost, so you guys don't have to keep messaging me and calling me every 5 minutes. You can just kind of see the price there. So if you want to buy anything, you know, you should have an idea of what this stuff costs by now. Shoot me a call, 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm here every day, Monday through Friday from 8 to 6. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I look forward to you reaching out.